Alright, at this point, may kailangan ako pumambati. Alam nyo kanina sa airport, may sumalubog sa amin. Parang when we arrived 2 weeks ago, saan ba kami?
Toronto.
Winnipeg. No, Winnipeg, our first stop. Paglabas namin, tama ba? Toronto ba? Toronto? Sa Toronto?
Yes!
Ah? Sa Winnipeg ba yun?
Toronto! Toronto!
Airport lang. Sabay kami mga hockey players. I don't know from what country or ng team. But anyway, paglabas namin, ang dami mga Pinoy na nasa labas, may mga banner pa. So parang nahiya kami, hindi namin alam kung paano kami lalabas. Pinititingin na kami ng mga hockey players. But anyways, it's just so nice to see Filipinos na talaga, they're so proud of you. And they're so excited to see you. So, iba yung feeling ko na nakaka-overwhelm because, you're appreciated. And at the same time, we look forward to see you. So, I'm just so thankful. I mean, yung iba dun lumipad pa from different parts of the States. So, at this point, if you could just let me greet some people. Si Tita Flor. She came to Manila one time, she gave me so many gifts. May regalo na naman daw siya sa akin mamaya. So, I love my job. Si Tita Annie of Chicago, she also flew in. Hindi ko alam napakaraming pera na itong taong to. Kung nasa kami, nandun po siya. Miss Rose, Miss Glenda Dorsky, Tony Dulce of Seattle. Is she doing celebrating her birthday today? Hi Tony, happy birthday. I love you too. Thank you. And let me greet my relatives also drove from back Seattle. My Tita Belen de la Cruz, Tita. And my cousin, Kuya Rico and Anne de la Cruz. And our friend, si Sunny Torres and Eva and your kid and Tita Elsa. Tita Tess, right, and the husband. Maraming salamat po. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan dito. Sino ba mga kaibigan ko dito? Alright, at this point I'd like to ask you, what would you want me to sing? Huh? Because, I was here a few years ago, pero hindi ko maalala. Hindi ko maalala when I was here. So, I think it's a gift. Do you have that? Meron ba ako ba? Meron akong kahit sa gift?